Hi guys, I thought I would switch gears today and talk about stuff I'm using on my face. So clearly as we get older, our needs might change for our skincare. Mine is that I have really dry skin, especially in the winter, which makes sense because we've got all the heat going and all of that. So I'm always looking for things that help with dry skin this time of year. So I recently switched my cleanser to Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It says it's for all skin types. I feel like it takes off dirt and makeup and doesn't leave your skin feeling stripped at all. So that's been really nice to enjoy that and not feel like my skin is gonna crack. And sometimes in the evening after that, when I really want to make sure my skin is really clean, I use the Badescu, if that's correct, Witch Hazel and Rosewater Toner. Again, it doesn't feel really super strong where it's cracking your face and leaving it really dry. And I love the slight scent of rose in there. It's really relaxing and it's just feels like a really good way to end your day or your evening when you're taking off all your makeup and things. For moisturizer, I've recently switched to Weleda Hydrating Lotion. It says lightly moisturizes and refreshes skin. I feel like it's more than lightly moisturizing because frequently I don't use anything else. Sometimes I'll use either Cerave or Cetaphil with it if my skin is really dry or I've been treating it, doing some kind of anti-aging thing. But really like this, it soaks into the skin. It doesn't sit on top of the skin and kind of move around when you start trying to get ready for your day. So around my eyes, under eyes, which are really dry, I've been using the Roche-Posay, I'm not sure how you say, whatever, something for eyes. I'll put it below because I'm going to massacre the name of it. So using that, and then also I have added Glo Naturals Argan collection. I got this from Vitacost. It came up on there to try, and I'm really liking the way it works. I feel like it keeps that area moisturized throughout the day, which is nice. Kind of moving towards where you're going to put your makeup on is I need a hydrating primer. So I am using right now the Mineral Fusion Hydrating Primer. Again, it doesn't feel like it's sitting on top of my skin or on my face. It's kind of like it soaks in, but it keeps my makeup lasts a lot longer when I use it. So then when we move forward to what am I using to make my face look better. After that, I'm really enjoying this Tarte palette, and this is the Clay Play Volume 2. So got this last year, like in September, something like that. So really like it. It warms up your face. You could use it year round. I'm fairly fair, very fair skin tone, and it works well for me. Some of the things might be a little bit dark, but you just use a light hand and it blends in so nicely. And then when I'm trying to kind of finish everything off and smooth everything out, cover up the pores that I have, large pores that I have, I am really loving the It Bye Bye Pores. This product, this is translucent and it's a loose powder. So you need just a little bit on your brush and you kind of run it over, obviously, to set your makeup, and it just makes any large pores just kind of look like you can't see them. So it's almost a miracle the way it works in that sense. So I'm really enjoying that product. Again, just wanted to share with you a few products that I'm enjoying for trying to make all this look younger and more glowing and all those wonderful things. I hope you're having a great day.